Hey y'all, welcome to DIY with Colt, and I had to make this video today about stud finder. So this is a cheap stud finder, about $20. You can get it from your local department store. It's very common, a lot of people use them. I've been using this for a few years. However, I made this video today because I decided to try purchasing a more expensive stud finder that had more sensors and that was wider and that I thought would save me time as well as be more accurate. And boy, was this a good investment. This is why I'm making this video. I had to share with you guys how good of an investment this was. Paying about 3 times as much as a cheaper stud finder. This is about $60. The other one I just showed you is about $20, but let me show you guys something. I'm mounting these brackets here to the wall so I can put a shelf here above my washer and dryer. Now, check this out. These 3 dots are where I missed the stud. The stud is actually here. Where this bracket is, I missed the stud 3 times here because this thing kind of let me down. So let me show you what I mean. There's a stud here. Well, first, let me show you how wonderful this sensor is. So press the button and I drag it along, and the sensors actually pick up where the stud is, and where those 4 lights are is where the stud is, and it actually moves with it as I move it across the wall. Look at that. I picked up another stud. Picked up another stud. The yellow lights that you're seeing there, it's picking up an electrical current. If you wonder why, well, here's an outlet here. Here's an outlet there. The other $20 stud finder will not do that. Here's another stud right here. Again, showing me exactly where it's at. Moves in and out of the field of vision. Incredibly accurate. I mean, I marked it on the wall the first time I went by, and then when I drilled into it, it was perfectly accurate. So that's how I got these brackets on correctly. Now, let me show you this. You saw how many studs were here. Let's see how many it picks up. Completely missed that stud. Also, when it beeps like that, I have to restart it. I have to press the button down again. Look at that. At this point, we've missed a second stud. I'm just moving it slowly across the wall. It's supposed to beep when it finds the edge of one. That red light in the middle is supposed to come up. Not reading it. Not reading it. There we go. It finally read this one here, but it missed 2 here. But it did pick up this one. It's not going to be perfect, but I expect better than that. I expect, these stud finders to do a little bit better than that. So for me, it is worth paying, 3 times as much for this if I never have to deal with the headache of drilling a needless hole into my wall again. And so if you are a homeowner, you're doing lots of projects, you're hanging lots of pictures, putting up shelves, whatever it may be, I would seriously recommend investing in one that's a little bit better so that you just don't miss and you don't waste your time. And I also just hate the feeling of drilling a screw into the wall and it not hitting anything. I hate that. So for me, well worth the investment. I think it'll be worth the investment for you guys too. Thanks so much for watching. If this video is going to help you with your home projects, whatever it may be, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks guys. Have a great day.